Hello there, today I will be showing you how to make a poll command, a poll slash command with a discord.py. So yeah, I think we can get right into it. Yeah, we can. Okay, so I'm like, why do you have so much code written already? Well, I actually already wrote it down and I'm just going to explain it. So if you literally don't care about the explanation at all, you can just copy the code that is in the pinned comment. But now, okay, I'm gonna explain it. So we start by obviously making bot.3.command with the name of poll and the description. This is the description I wrote. Creates a poll with up to 5 options. And we're going to make it so it requires manage permissions. You can change this permission to whatever you want, or you can just remove this. But I did app commands that checks out has underscore permissions manage messages equals true. So if you don't have this permission in the server, it's going to give you an error when you do the code. It's going to when you do the command. If you do slash poll, it's going to like say the application did not respond, and it's going to give you a missing permissions error in the terminal. Oh my god, can you stop giving me? Okay, I'm just gonna take the cursor away. Then we obviously we're gonna describe the options. So first we have the question, which is the question the poll is going to be asking, and then we have the options: the first option, the second option, and yeah, and then we get a role, which we can which role to ping in the poll. If they choose that, if they write something in there, we're going to uh, ping that role in the poll that rhymes. Then we're going to do async def poll, and then this obviously interaction, this good at interaction, and then we got question, which is obviously going to be a string. All the options are also going to be a string. The question, the option 1 and option 2 are required. The rest isn't required. Nothing else is required. And you can add the role if you want. Okay, let's actually do it. Actually go into the command code itself. So first you're going to send a message saying creating poll. That is so we can send the poll as not a like answering the command and just a regular message, or else it's going to give you an error. It's gonna send it anyways, but like this it looks better. So you're gonna be creating a poll, and now we're going to try, and we're going to make. I don't know why you chose these variable names, just literally just random. Make them something actually normal. But we're going to make a list, which is going to have all the options. And you're going to make a list, an empty list. Then for each option in the list of the options, if the option is different from none, so if the person using the slash command actually wrote something on the option, then we're going to add the option to this list. Alright, then we're going to do this twice. Very simple. So we're going to start with if the role, right? So if we're not going to ping anything, if role equals none. So if the user chose for us not to ping anyone, then we're going to see here. If the size of this list is 2, which means the user chose only 2 options, then we're going to send them an embed, right? Which is going to be blur poll. That's the color I chose. The title is going to be the question, and then the description is going to be the options. So you got option 1, which is the first item in this list from the 2 items, and then option 2 is going to be the second item. And then we're going to add these reactions. So we're gonna add these emotes to the emojis. Yeah, we're gonna add these reactions to the message, and we're going to do that a bunch of times for 3, 4, and 5 options chosen. Everything's the same thing except there's more options. And then we got, if there's a role, it's going to like first gonna send outside of the embed. It's going to mention the role, and then it's going to send the embed, and it's the rest is the exact same thing. And then after we made the poll, we're going to delete the message we sent over here. You can not delete it, but I delete it. As soon as it's done making the poll, it's going to delete that message because it's done creating poll. And if there is an exception, then we print the exception, and we delete this anyways, right? So there is no way it actually got here and the error was like, it can't get past this and then give the error because there's nothing in front of it. So if we get here, we know this message hasn't been deleted, the message up top. So we're going to delete it first because why not? And also because I feel like it makes sense. And then it's gonna say an error code, try again later. Ephemeral because only the person using the command can see it. Okay, now let's change to Discord, like that, like that. Okay, and now let's do the command. So I'm already in announcements /poll, and now we got here the question. Also, don't remember you gotta run the code, but I already have the code running somewhere else in the cloud. So yeah, that's why I don't need to run it. So the question is going to be, for example, do you like pizza? And then the first option is going to be yes, no. Wait. First, we're going to add an option 3. Option 3 is going to be depends on the pizza. And then we're going to ping warned, for example, just a random roll. Alright, then enter. It's gonna start creating. It's gonna do that. It's gonna delete the message. And as you see, it pings this roll. Do you like pizza? And it has the options. And you can choose one. So yeah, very nice. Very nice command. Very simple. I hope that helped you in making the command. Don't forget all the code is in the pinned comment. And yeah, bye.